How to connect your email account to Instantly.ai. Step 1. From your Instantly.ai dashboard, click on Settings in the left sidebar, then choose Email Accounts. Step 2. Click the Add New Account button. You'll see options like Gmail, Outlook, or Custom SMTP. Pick the one that matches your email provider. Step 3. After you're using Gmail or Outlook, just sign in with your account and allow access. For custom SMTP, you'll need to enter your server details, port number, username, and password. Step 4. Once added, Instantly will test the connection. If everything looks good, your account will show as connected. And that's it.